Hi friends, I'm Balloon Craze Jaze. Right now I'm going to show you how to make a flower. So for the past couple videos I've shown you how to make a balloon petal. Alright, so we're obviously going to use that here. With this you need two balloons. And the first one, the yellow, I'm going to use that for the petals. Alright, for this one you don't need to inflate it all the way. I would say about 6 pumps for this one. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pinch it right there. Let some air out so that it's a little softer. And then stretch it. And now you can tie the balloon just like that. Alright, you would need about 5 flower petals. So just twist it, not too big, about 3 fingers length. Then right there is how I want it, and I twist that together. And for this to stay put, you want this nozzle that I'm holding to, push that through in between the petal and just lock it, just like that. Alright. Then you want, here's the second one. Try to make it the same size as the first one, so about 3 fingers length. And twist it. If it's not the same, completely the same, it's okay. Alright, so I got my 2 flower petal, squeeze it a little bit so it's easier to twist. Here's my third one. So how I usually do that is I, right in between those 2 petals, I twist that third petal just like that. And I set it for the fourth one. Squeeze the balloon again so it's easier to twist. Then bend that balloon. And that's about the same size. Twist it just like that. Don't be afraid. Just twist it. Especially if you squeeze the air out, it's going to be easy to do that. Now we're in 4. You can stop right there, but I think it looks prettier if you have a 5th petal. So same thing. About that size, and just twist it. Now you can arrange it to the area you want to put it. Okay. So there are your petals. So you will have probably something like this left over. Alright. You could use scissors to cut that and then tie it. But I'm going to show you a quick way to kind of pop the balloon without using scissors. Usually you have to just use your 2 thumbs, just like right there. And then you squeeze the balloon right there with your 2 thumbs together, and you just snap it. And then this one you put in the trash, and here you have to tie it. Okay. And here it looks like it's a little lopsided. The way to fix that is just twist it a couple times, and you'll put the balloons closer together. Okay. And then your last balloon here is for your center. That's going to be really simple. You just need 1 little bubble for that, so you just, not even a full pump. See that? That's too much, so you just release the air a little bit. Right there is good. Even though it's not a full circle, when you put it on there, it will be. So, you can tie this if you want. Alright? So that the air doesn't come out. But I usually don't even bother tying that. I just put the bubble right there and I wrap that nozzle around the petals multiple times. And you pull it and then you release. And then the other side, you wrap it around the other petals as well. And just arrange the flower. Okay. And there's your flower. With this, you could use that to become a bracelet. So just have the end, wrap it around the other petals again, leaving some, this little bow right there. Wrap it around the petals, pull it and let it go, and there's your flower bracelet. Okay? put it through your hand, wear it like that. All right, enjoy and be safe.